Oh, this is so different. This is very, very sensual, very sexy, very, very lovely perfume. Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. This is my last exploration for Perito Moreno and this is Regal Silhouette. So I'm not sure what to call it, Silhouette or Shilhouette. I think it is Silhouette. So let's try to see what it has in its notes. Top notes, it is very complex perfume. It is natural, it is cruelty free, it is handmade. So make sure you respect these kind of perfumes. Top notes, neroli, Indian lemon, sweet lime, jasmine, sambac, Nagaland wild lemons, lavender, sweet orange, Indian basil, marigold, chamomile, pink pepper. I think this is going to be my second favorite after the culture. Mid notes, pimento berry, cloves, black pepper, star anise, patchouli, bay leaf, Sri Lanka, cinnamon, cardamom, rosemary. Then we have the base notes, sandalwood, labdaman, oud wood, olibanum, patchouli, myrrh, tonka bean, musk. It is a very complex perfume. Let's try to spray it on my hand over here. Oh, this is so different. This is very, very sensual, very sexy, very, very lovely perfume. It is kind of like, I'm not sure it is neroli or something. It is like lemony spices that are with the musks, and oh, this is so good. This is really, really good. This is the second one I think I love. Oh, this is like light animalic, light lemon, light citrus. And let's spray it on the paper strip too. Very, very sexy, very sensual perfume. Light lemon, light gourmandish kind of perfume. And a really, really lovely composition. It is kind of like thick. It is mature. It is not like childish or teenage kind of perfume. It is for mature people. If you are above like 25, 27, this is for you. This is a very sensual, heavy, dense kind of perfume. So this is kind of like dense, heavy, romantic, sensual perfume with light animalics, light lime, very, very lovely balanced composition. Light gourmandish. So this is very unique. It is light animalic, light gourmandish. This is a really, really lovely composition. Regal Silhouette from Nitish Dixit. Very well done, Nitish. Perito Moreno is the brand, and if you want to smell great, romantic in winter nights, this is for you. Or not even in the spring, and I think it is going to be fall, winter and spring season perfume. This is really, really well blended composition. So it does have cloves and that spiciness. I think for me, cloves in most of his perfumes are a bit cloying or a bit, more into my head. But overall, this one is so good. It has the right balance of florals, the citruses, the lime over here, the sexiness, the musk over here, the tonka bean, myrrh, everything is balancing out really, really well. So this is going to be my second favorite from Perito Moreno, and I am going to give it some ratings now. I think it is perfect for male and female. Both of them can wear, but not in the summers. It is for winters, fall and spring. So I am going to give it like 8 out of 10 for scent profile. Really lovely, really, really amazing scent profile. So now I think I should give it like 9 out of 10. Very, very different and unique too. So for uniqueness and this lovely scent profile, I'm going to give it 9 out of 10. And for performance, I think it is going to perform average 7 out of 10 for performance. And this is going to be my last review for Perito Moreno. And I'm going to sum up some of the ones I really loved. Perito Moreno, I really loved the Regal Silhouette. This was my favorite, not dark yet. This was another favorite. The third favorite was Culture. So top 3 would be Culture, Regal Silhouette second, and third one would be Not Dark Yet. So this is my take. If you want to purchase any of these, I think this is going to be my take if I want to purchase these. So I will see you soon in another video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.